Welcome to this video on taking screenshots on an Apple Mac. So there are a few different ways you can take screenshots. There are some tools that you can use. If I hover over my toolbar, I do have a screenshot option, but there are also some really quick, simple shortcuts that I can use. And I can take a full page, so I can do a full screenshot, a full screen, picture, or I can define what I want. So if I want to take a full screenshot here without having to go into that app at the bottom, there is a very quick Shift, Command and Free option. So I'm going to press Shift, Command and Free, and you'll notice in the bottom right hand corner that's just taken a screenshot of exactly what is on my screen right now, everything. And it's there, it's populated it on my desktop, and it's in the top right hand corner because that's some settings that I had earlier. But maybe I don't want it to take a screenshot of everything and I just want a small part. Maybe I just want my YouTube channel that I've currently got open on YouTube right now. So instead of doing Shift, Command and Free, I'm going to do Shift, Command and the number 4. So let me do Shift, Command and 4. And what you'll notice, and I'll zoom in really nicely for you here, is I've got like a pointer on my cursor. And what that's going to allow me to do is click and hold and select and drag the area I want to create the screenshot of. So it's not going to take everything. And when I drop it, when I release my mouse, it's now again in the bottom right hand corner. It's taken that screenshot for me and it will populate it on my desktop once it's processed its way through. I am just going to click on it and you can see it's opened up and it's just got the YouTube page that I was looking for. So very quick, simple and easy to do there. Remember Shift, Command and Free to just take your whole screen, and Shift, Command and 4 if you want to select a specific part of your screen. Really nice, simple shortcuts that you can use to take screenshots on your Apple Mac. Please do like and subscribe and check out the rest of the videos on this channel.